memulakan majlis kita hari ini dengan menjemput Yang Berhormat Dato Sri Hajah Rohani binti Abdul Karim, Pengerusi Kumpulan Rentas Parti Parlimen Malaysia Matlamat Pembangunan Lestari SDG untuk menyampaikan ucapan alu-aluan.
To officially begin with the session today, we would like to invite YB Dato Sri Rohani, Chair of All Party Parliamentary Group, Malaysia of Sustainable Development Goals, to deliver her welcoming remark. Please welcome YB.
Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kepada Yang Berhormat Dato Sri Ahmad Faizal Azumu, the Minister of Youth and Sports Malaysia, thank you very much. Ms. Karima El Khoury, the UN Resident Coordinator for Malaysia. Yang berbahagia Profesor Datuk Dr. Denison Jaya Surya, the Head of Secretariat APPGM-SDG, Honorable Speakers, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone joining us from all over the world for this Malaysian Youth SDG Summit 2022. And a very special thank you to APPGM-SDG, Malaysian CSO SDG Alliance, My SDG Academy, and the co-organizer, International Youth Center for organizing this Malaysian Youth SDG Summit 2022, which is strongly supported by the UN country team for Malaysia, Singapore and Brunei Darussalam, and as well as the Malaysian Ministry of Youth and Sports. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge Ms. Joelle Ng, who is the director of the summit, who have worked tirelessly to make this summit happen. I would also like to thank our strategic partners as well as volunteers who have joined hands to make this event possible. I was informed that we have about 39 strategic partners altogether for this event. I'm particularly pleased about this summit, which allows for possibility and avenue to convene youth around the country and globally to deliberate on issues that genuinely affect them, and most importantly, this summit will also serve as a valuable platform to find new ways to mobilize, empower, and inspire young people to take actions towards the global goals in localising SDGs and enable young Malaysian SDG practitioners to meet with the like-minded people and industry peers. The youth is a large social force and indeed one of the most important elements determining the future and the destiny of the nation. In the context of localising of SDGs, I would always stress that we should collectively continue to strive together, leveraging the work of the government, development partners, young people and youth-led and youth-focused organizations, and other stakeholders to transform the way forward that involves the full participation and leadership by the youth themselves. This is simply because they are active drivers of change in local communities. Young people have a role in engaging people at the grassroots level and a role in communicating the goals to a wider society. They are our agent of change. I'm very impressed to witness that the role of youth has become more prominent than ever these days. I would like to believe that the youth are now more empowered and very much involved, for instance, in volunteerism. Volunteerism and youth is nothing like what we had before. The youth has positioned themselves well and beyond than just hiding in a four-wall room, and volunteerism allows the youth to express their capacities, develop their skills, and increase their chances of social participation. It is really encouraging to see that many youth are coming forward and become the catalyst in localizing SDGs at the grassroots level. Now, APPGM-SDG, since our early establishment, has taken a great attention to ensure the inclusiveness of all groups, including the youth. Evidently, 60% of our solution projects are targeting youth, and some of them are being run by the youth themselves and benefiting the young generation from various aspects in line with the SDGs. I'm proud and delighted to highlight 3 examples of projects, namely the Changemaker Journey for Youth. That's the title. This is a unique program that provided a platform for 15 youth from PPR Lembah Pantai to provide localized solution while improving their personal credibility through professional coaching, imparting upon them the necessary tools and frameworks to independently identify problems in the world around them and to innovate solutions. The end result, the project has identified 16 changemaker youth, 11 professional mentors, 6 projects, and 500 people impacted. Congratulations for PPR Lembah Pantai Youth. Now, the project implemented are advocating the zero tolerance for gender-based violence, embracing diversity and inclusion by promoting Borneo culture, empowering local chefs through home-based cloud kitchen, developing quality education through literature skills, zero food hunger amongst COVID-19 affected low-income families, and building sustainable cities through urban agriculture. Now, the second project is mushroom cultivation for economic enhancement of indigenous youth. This project is for 20 youth from Sungai Rual, Jeli, Kelantan, and the youth manage and facilitate the development of mushroom blocks, produce compost from the mushroom blocks that is reused for fertigation plantation. This economic activity for the youth run by the youth have built their income and confidence, and now the youth are developing more products from the mushroom and supplying to the local markets with the support of the Faculty of Agro-Based Industry, University Malaysia, Kelantan. Now the third one is Epreneur, maximize the business through potential. 40 youth from Lingga, Batang Lupa were targeted to train on digital business and equip them to start and grow their business while expanding to markets beyond their locality. The impact of this project has enabled 5 young people to embark into digital business with the seed funding to scale up their startups, and now after 6 months, they are earning a steady income. The training was conducted by the Yayasan Ikhlas with World Merit Malaysia. I do not doubt that the youth, when they are given the same platform and provided with the right impetus to articulate issues, they will develop clear and well-defined goals for themselves. The youth have become increasingly visible and effectively active in influencing national and continental policies with new ideas, philosophy, and technological expertise if the space is created for them. They have the capacity to bring fresh perspective to the present development approach, and through critical thinking, innovation, and their own style of communication, they can drive changes in their communities and countries as future leaders. The youth are key to the country's ambitious drive to achieve the SDGs by 2030. APPGM-SDG will continue to support and complement the government and other partners' effort in this national quest. With this note, I would like to call upon all stakeholders to pledge on giving our full support and guidance for the youth throughout. Thank you to all of you for participating in this Malaysian Youth SDG Summit 2022. for engaging with each other to bring your fresh and innovative ideas to life. Often it can feel that we are powerless to change the world, but our youth, their determinations, voices, and choices can make a real difference. I wish you all a very successful summit. Thank you very much. Sekian wabillahi taufik. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.